Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In previous tutorial, I show you how to download Landsat image and compose the band. In this tutorial, I will show you how to classify the image using unsupervised classification. Let's get started. The compose band is done in previous tutorial. We need to classify our image. First, we have to active the classification. So for classification, select plane area and search for image classification. Yes. So we have different classification, supervised and unsupervised. I will use unsupervised classification. Supervised classification, I will do it later. So select unsupervised classification and here select your composed band. It's already selected. And then the number of classes based on your study area. I'll select, let's say, 10 classes and output here. Patient. The diff, those are optional. Leave it as it is and click OK. The unsupervised classification done. We see the color is changed on my study area and I have 10 classes as I specified. Is based on the classes or feature available for your study area. This is how to classify any land use land cover using unsupervised classification. If you found this tutorial is helpful, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, leave it in the comment below.